Hello everyone, and welcome to ElectroTunes CEWP. Today's video on the 8 things every electrical engineer must know. Electrical engineering is an exciting and dynamic field that forms the backbone of modern technology and infrastructure. Whether you're just starting your career or you're already an experienced professional, it's important to have a solid understanding of the key concepts that drive this field. In this video, we'll be diving into the essential knowledge that every electrical engineer should possess to succeed in their role. 1. Understanding the basics of electricity. First up is a foundational topic, understanding the basics of electricity. Electrical engineers work with voltage, current, resistance, and power on a daily basis. These are the building blocks of electrical systems. Voltage, V, is the electrical potential difference between 2 points. Current is the flow of electrical charge. Resistance, R, is the opposition to the flow of current. These three are closely related by Ohm's law, V equals IR. Understanding Ohm's law is essential, as it's used in circuit analysis and the design of electrical systems. Additionally, understanding power, P equals 4, is crucial as it allows engineers to calculate energy usage in devices and systems. 2. Circuit theory and analysis. Next, circuit theory and analysis. Electrical engineers are constantly working with circuits, whether they're analog or digital. You need to understand how to analyze series and parallel circuits. Apply techniques like Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, and Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, to solve circuit problems. Use tools such as Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem for simplifying circuits. These fundamental skills are vital because circuit analysis helps engineers design, troubleshoot, and optimize electrical systems, whether it's a small device or a large industrial system. 3. Power systems and distribution. Every electrical engineer must have a solid understanding of power systems and power distribution. Power systems include the generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity. Generation. This includes understanding how power plants work, whether it's from traditional fossil fuels, nuclear, or renewable sources like wind and solar. Transmission. Understanding high voltage transmission lines, transformers, and their role in transporting electricity over long distances. Distribution. Familiarity with distribution transformers, switchgear, and how electricity is delivered to homes, businesses, and industries. Understanding power systems ensures engineers can design safe, reliable, and efficient electrical grids and prevent issues like power outages or inefficiencies. 4. Electrical safety standards and regulations. Safety is always a top priority in electrical engineering. Every electrical engineer must be well versed in safety standards and regulations. This includes following NEC, National Electrical Code, or IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, standards. Understanding the importance of grounding, circuit protection, fuses, and circuit breakers, and working with proper insulation materials. Following NEC, National Electrical Code, or IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, standards. Understanding the importance of grounding, circuit protection, fuses, and circuit breakers, and working with proper insulation materials, familiarity with personal protective equipment, PPE, and ensuring safe work practices when dealing with high voltage systems. Knowing these standards helps ensure the safety of both the engineers working on electrical systems and the people who use the electrical products and infrastructure. 5. Analog and digital electronics. Another important area is analog and digital electronics. As an electrical engineer, you'll encounter both. Analog electronics involves dealing with continuously variable signals. Engineers design circuits with resistors, capacitors, and transistors to process signals like audio and video. Digital electronics deals with discrete signals. Digital circuits are the foundation of computing devices, including logic gates, microcontrollers, and processors. Understanding how to design and analyze both types of circuits is essential, as they are used in everything from simple devices to complex systems like computers, communication devices, and automation systems. 6. Electromagnetism and AC/DC systems. Electromagnetism is another crucial concept that every electrical engineer must understand. This includes the behavior of electric fields and magnetic fields and how they interact in devices like motors and transformers. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And how they interact in devices like motors and transformers. Make sure to like, subscribe,
and helps them solve complex problems related to power systems, electronic circuits, and energy generation. 7. Control systems and automation. Control systems and automation play a significant role in modern electrical engineering. Engineers design systems that control machines, processes, and electrical systems automatically. You'll need to understand feedback loops, PID controllers, and PLC, programmable logic controllers, to design and troubleshoot automation systems. SCADA systems, supervisory control and data acquisition, are also crucial for monitoring and controlling electrical grids and industrial processes. In today's world, automation and control systems are at the core of industries like manufacturing, energy distribution, and transportation. 8. Emerging technologies and innovation. Lastly, electrical engineers must stay up to date with emerging technologies and innovations in the field. Technologies like smart grids for more efficient energy distribution, renewable energy systems like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, electric vehicles, EV, and battery storage technologies, Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, AI, in electrical systems. As the world evolves, electrical engineers will continue to play a major role in shaping new technologies and addressing global challenges like sustainability, energy efficiency, and smart cities. To sum up, electrical engineering is a broad and evolving field, and mastering these 8 fundamental concepts is crucial for any engineer looking to succeed. Whether it's understanding the basics of electricity, analyzing circuits,